Hello everyone, how you all? I hope you all are doing well, you all are learning well. So welcome to this channel Explore More and Learn. Friends, today's tutorial is about very small mistake which many people do unknowingly and commonly also. So please watch this tutorial from the beginning till the end, maybe this is useful for you. So let's begin without wasting your time. So today's topic is about difference between its and its. Though they sound the same when we pronounce them, but they have different meaning and different use also. So in this tutorial, I'll tell you the difference between its and its. Its, that is it apostrophe s, has an apostrophe, and its, its, is written without apostrophe. Apostrophe is a kind of comma which we put above. So its has an apostrophe and its is written without apostrophe. Its is contraction form for it is or it has. Contraction form means short form for it is or it has, and its is possessive case for pronoun it. So its shows a kind of possession, a kind of belongingness for the pronoun it. Okay, so you can say that its is a possessive adjective, just like his, her, your. So its is a possessive adjective for pronoun it, just like his is for he, her is for she, and your is for you. Like you use his, like I liked his video, I liked her presentation, in this way. Okay, so its is a possessive case for the pronoun it. Okay, now I'll give you some examples for its and its. It's very nice place to visit. Here it apostrophe s is contraction for it is. It's very hot today. Here it's contraction for it is. It's been long time since I saw you. Here its is a contraction for it has. It has been long time since I saw you. It's been raining since morning. Here its is contraction for it has. So it has been raining since morning. Now some examples for its. The dog lost its eye. Here its is used for dog's eye. Okay, so that means we are talking about dog's eye. That's why we are using its, because we use it for animal, and here its is used for dog's eye. Okay, now it's my dress, I love its color. Here in the first part of the sentence, it's, it apostrophe s is contraction for it is my dress and I love its color. And in the second part of the sentence, its, that is its, is used for color of dress. Okay, so it's my dress, it is my dress, I love its color. Okay, so second part we can see its is used to show a kind of possession. Okay, so that means we are talking about color of dress, or you can say we are talking about the color of dress which shows a kind of belongingness, like this color belongs to this dress. So this was all about its and its. I hope you liked this tutorial. So if you have liked, then please subscribe this channel by pressing this subscribe button, and don't forget to press this bell icon so that you may get notification for the next video. And thanks for watching and see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.